Are you ready to break into one of the most in-demand tech careers without spending a dime? If you're curious about how Kubernetes powers the cloud, container orchestration, and some of the biggest platforms on Earth, then this free Introduction to Kubernetes course might be exactly what you've been waiting for. Welcome to Business Training Media's online business series. In today's episode, we are spotlighting a powerful opportunity to boost your IT career, the free Introduction to Kubernetes course from the Linux Foundation. Stick around until the end to find out exactly how you can enroll in this course today, for free. Let's talk about the tech that's transforming the cloud. Kubernetes is the backbone of modern containerized applications. It's used by giants like Google, Amazon, and Netflix. Whether you're aspiring to become a DevOps engineer, cloud architect, or site reliability engineer, Kubernetes is a must-have skill. And the demand? It's off the charts. Companies are offering top-tier salaries for professionals with Kubernetes experience, often starting in the six-figure range. And that's just the beginning. Let's take a look at the course itself. This free Introduction to Kubernetes course is designed for absolute beginners and tech professionals alike. It teaches you what Kubernetes is, how it works, and why it's become the standard for managing containerized applications in the cloud. You'll gain hands-on experience with key concepts like deploying a containerized application on a cluster, using Kubernetes primitives, understanding how microservices scale, working with real Kubernetes tools used in production. By the end, you'll not only understand the core architecture of Kubernetes, you'll also earn a career certificate from the Linux Foundation, one of the most respected names in open-source education. This certification can set you apart in a competitive job market. Whether you're switching careers or upskilling in your current role, this course is a perfect first step. And the best part? It's absolutely free. No cost, no catch, just pure career-building value. Ready to take the next step? We've included a special link in the description below. Click that link to start your free journey into Kubernetes today. And if you're passionate about upskilling, be sure to check out our full library of free online courses, career guides, and resources at businesstrainingmedia.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others find amazing learning opportunities just like this. We wish you the very best of luck in your exciting tech career journey ahead. Keep learning, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.